let me quickly take you through a concept that I use supply and demand zone. Go and read more about supply and demand zones. This box that I drew here is a supply zone where look at the sharp sell that happened on a daily time frame, right? That sharp sell broke a previous low. This is a previous low. Look at this low. Look at this level. You can see that this bearish candle broke it, right? If you go in retrospect, let's go to previous days. Look at this area. Look at this area, for example, right? A sharp move that broke a structure. There was a low here, right? This bearish candle broke this low. So what happens? That area becomes an area of importance where when price comes to it, right? It's a place that we can also follow, continue selling. That's what happened. So every time price came back to test that area, it sold. Look at this line, look at this breakout point too. I don't want to start drawing lines. I don't want the video to be too long. Look at this candle, this daily candle, right? Now let's say this is the candle that actually broke it, right? It broke the structure, like a previous low, the previous lowest low, that is the previous low, broke it. Look at it. So price drove inside it, and look at the area. Let me draw that one. Let me quickly draw that one. Look at that box. Now I've drawn the zone. Get it? See, when it broke the line, the structure was broken here. Let me draw that one. Previous low was broken around this region. It's not straight. Please manage it like that for now, right? Okay, look at that. See, you can see it swung down. There's a low, price returns, and then it dropped. And now this one candle broke it. Now price danced inside it, came to the region, and then sold again. Sort of same thing. This one broke. Price came into the area, although it didn't somewhat test it, it dropped. Continue dropping. Now this one has broken it. This one broke it. Now price has danced inside it, and guess what? It's also coming to that region, right? The sell zone, right? And then I'm expecting same thing that has been happening here. That happened here when it broke. Price came into it. Happened here, right? Let me draw a line there. Yeah, right. Structure broken. If you go back, you will discover that that thing kept happening. I'm coming. Let me just put this one here for now. That's kept happening. I'm looking for a time in the past where a candle broke its level and price only came back to retest it. Okay, there's nothing very clear. If I go on forward time frame, all these swings here, you should be very sharp. You will see them very sharp, like this one. It's very sharp. Look at that. This very small swing here, very small, very tiny here. See, this candle literally broke it, although it didn't break it very well. This broke it, danced into it. It didn't so much point. Look at our price came into this, came back to this zone. Look at it, and then it began to drop. Bearish engulfing over it, and then we continue dropping. Bearish engulfing over it, and then continue dropping. See, bearish engulfing, breaking it. A candle breaking it, then price comes to the level where it started from, then continues falling. Same thing, this one broke, then price went back inside where it started from, then we are expecting to begin to sell. Flip that in a bullish trend, same thing happened. Look at, also I talked about using US dollar index to correlate the direction of USD pairs. Look at when USD, look at this time frame when Euro USD is falling. Same thing will have been happening on GBP USD, for example. They almost behave alike. Whenever Euro USD is dropping, it's dropping because the US dollar index is rising. Look at it. So see. So yesterday on US dollar we had a bullish day, right? But on US dollar index we have a bearish day. Look at that. So when US dollar index is bearish, the Euro USD will be bullish, right? So US dollar was bearish yesterday, right? So if US dollar index continues to be bearish today, what will happen? It means that the Euro USD will also continue to rise, like it rose yesterday, right? But excuse me, if the dollar index now turns bullish or giving us bullish signs, that is, it wants to rise, then Euro US dollar should be showing us that it wants to sell, right? It should be showing something that you want to sell. So I'm not seeing much happening on the US dollar, but so is this a breakout that I'm expecting? With this 4-hour, I think a fresh 4-hour started. Is it fresh? No, I think this is just the second one. Okay. So if I see a bullish 4-hour, okay. Oh no, it's not clear yet. Let me go to Euro. Don't let me confuse you. Let me go back to Euro US dollar. Okay, a fresh 4-hour started, and this guy was not so convincing. Oh, it broke out. Okay, yeah. Now I'm seeing it broke out. Is my expand into this? Come back into this. And I just feel something wants up. I just feel, look at this breakout. Look at all this move. I feel market wants to test into this place. I like you to do it. To test into this and maybe rise up. It will react. I expect reactions around here. It's still midnight. So that's why I don't want to trade anything yet. I believe that, look at the price broke out of here. It's doing this here. It has stalled here. It's dropping. Could drop, touch this place, react small, maybe use that 1 hour to now test back inside this box, and then I'll be looking for signs that selling wants to begin. Then I shall be looking to sell for that downwards. So another thing that I like to see is I would like to see signs of manipulations, that is fake outs, break up, where I will fake out people that are early buyers or people that are selling too fast. They will fake them. They will like to trigger their stop because they know that they will be pushing their stops over this place. So if people are selling already, they'll wait. Then the money just say that they will just clear them up, clear their stops up. Also buyers, people that are buying, that expect prices to keep rising, they will stop them up with this brief market down move in the midnight right now. So I expect that one to play out. I've seen it happen over and over. So I don't want to jump into selling yet. Although it's looking enticing to sell, to begin to jump into sell. But I like to see a clear. So I want to see manipulation. I know that the market manipulation will happen in the morning tomorrow. All the sell orders that are piled up overnight, right, will be triggered. Their stops will be triggered because their stops will be placed over here. With that stop, when they attempt to clear that stop, then our price will reach 1.0560 that I said I like my price. I like to set my price for. So I'm sticking with it. Going to daily time frame. See, this is it. This is where I still expect price to touch this place. Maybe it will come and form very sharp. Price will touch it. It might be very brief. 1.0560. That's my level. That's my price. I'm placing it so that my 50 pips can afford me. If I decide to just, instead of using 50 pips, maybe I'll just use 60 pips or 70 pips even. So that if I enter at 1.50, 1.560, right? Plus 60 pips will be 1.0620. Or I'd like to see price come deeper into this zone so that if I had 50 pips, it will allow me enough space that will clear out very well out of this area. Maybe my stop now be somewhere at 1.0640, 1.0650, 1.0630, 1.0620. Any price that can make me get inside deeper, I like to see it. So I like to wait in the morning, see clear freak out, break out, shoot out here. I don't want this video to get too long, so I'm saying this, thinking probably wants to come to this place. I'd like to see market touch back this box. If market comes, after it has done this, if it comes clearly downwards, come and retest and kiss dance under this place. Then if I now begin to see clear signs that it wants to continue dropping, I'll say it, I'll take it. Basically, what I'll be looking for, I'm actually looking out for is fake outs. Fake out here. Fake out here. I'm expecting a fake out to happen here. On top here. I just expect it. It's either it's 4 hour. It's either it's this 4 hour. Assuming this 4 hour, this one was bearish engulfing. I will be selling right now already. But this is not bearish engulfing, so I'm not taking that. Then we'll also be contending with this zone. This also is demand zone that is here. Price will also come to test it. Come back a bit again. Then there's a lot of things that can happen in the market. You must be patient to see them. Some people might be selling already. I assure you, in the morning they will clear them out. So my price is still minimum 1.0560, 1.0560, 1.0550, 1.0560. This is my stop way up. Way up here. See, there's still a lot of space inside this place. Yes, something is here too. It's on that place. Let me turn that. Let me change the color of that. Can yellow work there? No, it's not working. So okay. I believe this guy is just going to throw this and then use it to push up. And I see a bearish and going over it, and I know, okay, shall be sorry. So I'm just letting you see how I analyze the market and how I take my trades. So my price right now, I'm expecting my price to be 1.061560. Well, it was 1.0550. My entry price 1.0560. ING price 1.0560. 1.0560. 560 here. I think in the time is morning, we should be touching that level. Then my price, my stop will be at 1.0600 or 1.0610 or 1.0620. If I'm entering from 1.0550 plus 50 pips is going to be 1.0600. If I'm entering at 1.0560, then plus 50 pips is going to be 1.0610. If I'm entering at 1.0570, then my 50 pips will take me into 1.0620. Right. So, and yet it's also possible that the market wants to keep moving up further to get to see more. There could be, it could actually be swinging upward deeper because of the zone that